Gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath Colonial in Brookfield Subdivision. This open floor plan home offers 3 finished levels with hardwood flooring on the main level. Spacious kitchen with huge island, 42-inch cabinets and granite countertops. Large family room with gas fireplace, office, formal living room and dining room. The master bedroom features walk-in closets, a tray ceiling, and a nice master bathroom with separate shower and soaking tub. 3 other bedrooms and a laundry are also on the upper level. The basement boasts a theater room, spacious exercise room and a huge 38 by 22 foot great room. Outside you'll find an awesome, maintenance-free deck for entertaining that overlooks the trees behind the home. But don't forget about the lower level, which will surely be relaxing on fall evenings. Imagine sitting by the fire pit, listening to the tranquil sounds of the Lilly pond while watching the leaves.